Hello friends, my name is Sonu Singh and once again you have started watching me through this YouTube channel. So today I'll talk about how can you learn speaking English. There are so many people who complain that they do not have the money or they do not have the time or they do not get the proper teacher to speak English. But I'll tell you the easy way to learn English. Well, you can learn English with the help of your mobile. There are so many spoken English classes available free of cost on YouTube. I'll tell you the name. But before that, I'll tell you that what is the easy way of learning how to speak English. First, you have to download few applications. First application is Google Translator. Suppose you are trying to have conversation and sometimes it happens that few sentences are very difficult to translate. So you can write Hindi sentence in the Google Translator and you can translate it into English. And if you understand the translation, you can create so many sentences in the same manner. And you can learn that particular type of sentence. Again, suppose you are having conversation, but you come across a sentence which is not easy to translate. Again, you'll write that sentence in Hindi in the Google Translator and you'll get the English translation. And try to learn that translation, try to learn that English sentence and create many more sentences in the same manner, and that's how you learn two different kind of sentence. For example, if you learn only two different kind of sentence per day, can you imagine that how many sentences can you learn in 1 month? In 1 month you can learn 60 sentences. In 2 months you can learn 120 different kind of sentences. Just imagine that how many sentences will you learn in 360 days. You can imagine. So we have the resources, but you have to take the initiative. Sometimes we do not make progress because we are only crying for something that we don't have. And if you cry for the resources, whole life you will be wasted in crying for resources, because there's not a single person in this world who have all the resources of the world. Someone have money but they do not have time. Someone have money and time but they do not have the good health. Someone have all the three things but they do not have the support. They are emotionally broken. So in the place of seeing what is not present to you, you have to see that what are the things, what are the opportunities that is present to you. And English learning is one thing, and that's the reason people staying in the villages, people staying in the remotest part of the country, they are becoming good speaker and even they are speaking amazing English. They are working as a teacher, they are working as a YouTuber, and they are making money, they are living their successful life. You just need one thing, and that is the goodwill to learn this English. So change your mindset and stop crying for the resources. Second thing is that you have to download good application of dictionary. There are so many dictionary available on Play Store like Hinkoj, Oxford Dictionary or Shabdkosh, in which you'll get the pronunciation, you'll get the Hindi meaning, you'll get the parts of speech of that word. So you'll understand completely about the word. And that's how you can learn English word. Next thing is that without purchasing any newspaper, you can download the application of the news like Daily Hunt. In short, these are the applications which provides the news in a very simple and easy language. Anyone can read it and anyone can understand it. And suppose sometimes you're reading but you do not understand the meaning of certain word. What will you do? You will copy the word from there, you will paste it in the dictionary, you'll get the meaning and then you'll take the screenshot. And that's how throughout the day you can take 20 to 40 screenshots and you can learn words also. So first you have to download good dictionary from Play Store. You can download the news application. Third, you have to download the Google Translator, and with the help of that you will learn that how to translate certain kind of sentences. Next challenge is that you have to speak English. So now you can do two things. First, you can download the application that provide you the speaking platform. There are so many platforms which connects the beginners. Like I want to learn English, you also want to learn English. We both download the application, and then if we try to contact somebody, this application does one thing, that they connect the people who are looking for a speaking partner. And now you'll get the speaking partner. So things are already available. You just need to do one thing, that take initiative, make your mind, and your journey will start. So the next thing you need is the consistency. I have seen so many people that take animation in very costly classes, very fancy classes, and things are going well. I'm not criticizing the classes. I am saying that if even if you have money, even if you take admission in amazing class with the best teachers, still your progress can be hampered, your progress can be restricted. If you break the consistency, your progress can be restricted. So if you are consistent, with the help of these freely available resources, you can learn English. Because when you're consistent, you progress every day. Suppose you progress 1% only. So can you imagine that how much progress will you make in 365 days? Just imagine. Sometimes the small initiative, the small work, the small effort can accumulate the bigger skill that can give you a tremendous amount of opportunity. And English is not just a language. English is something that will give the key to unlock so many opportunities in your life. But you have to understand the importance of it. And English is not something that only educated people speak. And English is not something that people are born with. We learn it through the practice. It is a skill, and any kind of skill can be mastered with the consistency, with the hard work, and with right kind of effort. I hope that you understand the information that I tried to give to this video. And if you like the information, if you like the video content, then subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you for staying with me. See you in next video.